let's explore love, the gift, one of our 12 spiritual powers. It's a gift to each of us. Then what is this love? There are two distinct types, although when I looked it up, I found about 12 more. But the two I'm going to deal with today are divine love, that spiritual essence that we all have and are, and the human love, the more sensual kind. When you think of the oneness, and my favorite statement is that there's only one presence and one power in the universe. That presence and power is good. That presence is God in each and every one of you. Well, in spirit, love is the pureness, the pure essence of that love. Love binds us together as a whole human family. Charles Fillmore expanded a little more on that, and he said, love in divine mind is the idea of universal unity. In expression, it's the power that joins and binds everything in the universe and everything in it, includes all of us. That's the agape love. That's the one that just includes everything and everyone. The human nature, the more personal, because of that human side, we see and hear and feel, and those senses get us in a little trouble, but it also gets us into a lot of joy. But the love from the human side is more like, I see and I want. So love tends to be getting more of something, whether it's getting more affection from a person or getting more things, which we are all about those things. Cars and houses and clothes and shoes. 5 senses kind of takes the forefront and leads us as humans into our desires and getting our needs met or our preferences met. Can you feel the difference in that? The divine side is just present and loving, being the pure essence of things, not having to grab a hold of it and gather it over and make my pile bigger than your pile. But the Greeks had several different words associated with love. Eros, philia, ludos, pragma, mania. That sounds kind of scary. That one. That sounds too close to manic. I don't know. And then, of course, agape. But it's that divine love. It's the inner quality that good that is in everyone. Am I touching something? That's the agape love.